What's up guys, Josh here, doing another video. Just checking something. We're just going to be messing about with sparkles. Did say we're doing something, so we'll just get lovely. Check it out, lovely. So yeah. Guys, I'm back. Let's go. Yeah.
You've done it 5 times already, what do you mean?
I got you know 3 at the same time. Sparklers! Ooh, sorry. I have no gloves on. Oh my god. Are we doing any more fireworks?
Chris, is there any more fireworks?
Outside.
Oh,
Yeah, there's some more still.
Yeah, come on, let's do some more fireworks.
I'll light some in a minute for you.
Pardon?
I'll light some fireworks.
Yeah, alright, whatever.
What?
Whatever.
I've already lit 7.
What are you doing? Let's just blow it out. Right.
I'm bending, man.
Oh, mine's out. Mine's out.
Come here.
I know what to do.
Not put on.
Yes, I know what to do. Simple though. Who's yours? You probably can't see that now.
Right. You got another one? What's your one?